What is going on, world? Daily output. I am Dre. So I made this video earlier, but I'm gonna skim through it. I don't have time to edit it and all that good stuff. But it's basically talking about the judge that just ruled that Trump was guilty for fraud cases. So I'm gonna try to bash through it a little bit so I could upload it to YouTube and get y'all this video. YouTube, what did YouTube? What's been going on? The article's from Yahoo News, but I guess it was taken from the Daily Beast. Politically, and mainly with the former president, and it's basically Trump. Well, Trump basically just lost the New York bank fraud case before it even started. Basically just lost his powerful ruling Tuesday ahead of a massive trial that seeks to hit him with more than $250 million in penalties for bank fraud. I think the air in this house is dry or something. Or maybe I'm just dehydrated, I don't know. Continuing. And in a stunning development, the judge has already ordered the complete dissolution of the fabled Trump Organization. The tycoon's pride and joy, the empire that made him famous and elevated him into the White House. The Trump Organization and its sister companies will be sent into receivership to be under the control of a court-appointed officer. Even before the trial officially starts, the ruling handed New York Attorney General Letitia James a near total victory, meaning that next week's trial will mostly focus on damages that could pulverize whatever is left of Trump's many business entities and bank accounts. And I swear I do not breathe through my nose when I talk. I'm just a low-pitched, monotone guy. But it just varies throughout the day. I just came from the gym and work, so I'm a little tired. I don't sound like that all the time, but let's continue. In his 35-page opinion, Justice Arthur F. Engoron tore apart what he called the Trump. I'll push forward the stuff. I wanted y'all to actually Trump's family bogus arguments. That's basically it on the article. Also, he's guilty. Play aspects of the accounting principles to squarely on defendant accusations that they have acted. But if you want to read the article, like I said, it's on Yahoo News, and it came from the Daily Beast. An unprofessionally legal team, my team, I recall, is due speak on it, I believe. Should bank. I recall a time which the title of this news report, Trump basically just lost the New York bank fraud case before it even started. I recall one time when I was on jury duty, the case been over for a while, so I could speak on it, I believe. Should be able to. Anyway, either way, I wasn't appointed to the jury, but I'm gonna skip past this part and just let you know. I was on jury duty, and this guy, he was convicted of murder, and everybody, I'm pretty sure if they pay attention to the news, there's a big story around here, but even I knew the guy was guilty before we even went to court. Pretty sure the judge, she saw the video, she knew he was guilty. I mean, I know there's due process and all that good stuff. That's why I love America. But basically, what I was getting at is, if she didn't follow the law, she would have just watched the video and said, you know what, we don't need a jury. I'm going to convict him. He's guilty. But even though this guy was caught on film murdering someone, he still got his due process. But it seems like it's not happening here with the Trump case. But that's what that little monologue was about. Since I've seen all I've heard about this people time by people, and I ran across this clip from Sky News Australia, and we're gonna run that by y'all real quick.
On Twitter. And at the very plush, beautiful and expensive Attorney General's office, nice working conditions as people are getting murdered all over New York. And she spends her time and effort on trying to get Trump. So, surely Trump is just being paranoid. I mean, an AG wouldn't be just out to get him, would she?
People who say, oh, I'm not going to bother to register to vote because my voice doesn't make a difference, or I'm just one person.
I say one name, Donald Trump. That should motivate you. Get off your ass and vote.
Will you sue him for us?
Oh, we're going to definitely sue him. We're going to be a real pain in the ass. He's going to know my name personally.
He built his wealth off the backs of New Yorkers. We need to focus on Donald Trump and his abuses. We need to follow his money.
Challenge this illegitimate president when our fundamental rights are at stake.
It's a crisis. Mississippi hospitals
Sorry, I
keep
do not
shutting
have
down,
premium.
leaving communities without care and thousands.
That was basically it. That was from Sky News, and it was going through the clips of before she was appointed Attorney General. I want to say allegedly. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but her whole mission was just like the lady in Georgia, going after indicting the former president. And I was thinking to myself, is that legally, is that a conflict of interest? When you know somebody has a grudge against somebody for whatever reason, and their main goal, as she stated, was to go after this guy. I don't know. If there's any legal experts out there, y'all let me know and put it in the comment section. This is the Daily Output. I'm Dre Day.